Tanya, and today we're going to be making one of my personal favorites, Indian samosas, with a mango chutney and a tamarind dipping sauce. So let's get started! Go ahead and gather your ingredients for your mango chutney. Chop everything up and then put all the ingredients in a pot. Put it on a low simmer and let it cook for about 20 minutes. And now we'll start the tamarind dipping sauce. Guys, did you know that tamarind is one of the secret ingredients in Worcestershire sauce? Now we're going to let them soak in hot water for about 20 minutes. Once they've soaked, we're going to squish the pulp off of them. Now we're going to mince up the jalapeno and ginger and saute them with the cumin and anise seed. Now strain your tamarind pulp through a mesh strainer. Mix it in with your spices and add the rest of the ingredients. Now put this on a low simmer for about 15 minutes until it becomes thick. Now gather your ingredients for the potato filling. Once your potatoes are soft, strain them and set them aside to cool. And now we'll prepare the seasonings for the potato filling. Now we're going to saute the garlic, ginger, turmeric, jalapeno, and cumin to release their flavor. And if you'd like to add any other Indian spices, now is a good time to do that. I added mustard seeds. Once your spices are fragrant, toss your potatoes in and stir. Adjust the seasonings to taste, take it off the heat, and add the rest of your ingredients. To make the dough, just mix these 4 ingredients together until it forms a ball. Break time's over. Time to make the samosas. Now I divided the ball into 5 equal sections to make 10 giant samosas. So we're making kind of like a large oval shape and cutting it in half to make 2 samosas. Line the edges with water so that you can seal the dough. Crimp the edges on one side to make them fit. It may seem a little difficult at first, but after you get 2 or 3 down, you'll be a samosa making pro. Get your oil really hot and fry them, flipping halfway through to make sure they're golden on all sides. Guys, you know you can bake these, but I prefer them deep fried. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And tell your friends.